Hello and welcome to this short video about Jaguar XK8 Window Reset Procedure. This is video 54 in my series of XK8 videos. In this video I'm going to show you how I reset my electric windows and how I put them into the lower position when I take my battery off during the winter. A couple of top tips. Okay, so if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'd like to encourage you to do so and press the bell that reminds you when videos are going to be aired. And if you like the video, please press the like button and share and comment. Right, now down to the business. So if your windows are doing this, basically every time you go to the handle, the window goes down and doesn't go up when you close the door, your windows need resetting. Now the reset procedure is actually in your manual, and it basically recommends, in order to the method of doing this is to press and hold the switch to open the window, and then hold the switch down for 5 seconds. And you will, it doesn't say this, but you'll hear a click. When you hear the click, it's basically datumed the lower position. Then you do the same for the upper. You basically press the button to raise the window, and then once it's all the way raised, again hold the button for 5 seconds and you'll hear a click. Once you've heard the click, it's set the top position. Once you've done top and bottom, the window is reset. It's as easy as that. So in order for you to hear the click, I put a microphone in the pocket, in the door pocket. In order to get the windows to work, you need to put the ignition into the first or second position. And here you go. So you push the button to lower the window and listen out for the click. Did you hear that? Push the button to raise the window. Listen for the click. There we go. It's very subtle, but there is definitely a click. To do the passenger side, you can use the same switch pack. Press the button, keep the button pressed to lower it. Listen for the click. There you go. Raise the window, keep your finger on the button, wait for the click. There you go. And it's literally as easy as that to reset your windows. Now, anybody who's had an XK8 for a while knows that the window does go up into the seal, and it's impossible to open the doors once the battery's off, because obviously the electrics won't lower the window. So my recommendation really is to open the doors when you're disconnecting the battery. So basically, before you disconnect the battery, just open the door slightly ajar, both sides. This lowers the window. Then when you take the battery off, the window's already lowered. I've learned this from personal experience, having took the battery off and then not been able to get into the car and do anything I wanted. So there you go, just shut the doors now, and you can see the window doesn't go back into the other position, into the locked position if you would. And you can leave the battery connected, you can get in the car, do anything you want, pop the bonnet up, and all the necessary things you may want to do in the winter. One top tip. Another top tip is to use a rag to stop the boot lid from closing. Now it's very well known that obviously it's difficult to get it back into the boot if the boot lock becomes jammed. So one top tip is to stick a rag, once you've disconnected the battery, stick a rag in the latch, and this will stop the boot from closing. My lock does work on my Jag, but it's just to be doubly sure you can get that boot open and reconnect the battery, because without the battery connected, it's a lot of problems. There you go, another top tip. I hope you find that interesting and helps you reset your windows. It's a very simple procedure. Please like, please subscribe, please share, and please comment. Thank you very much. If you'd like to see more XK8 videos, please subscribe. Thank you.